Okay, guys, this is just Mr. Post back here. We were having some issues with graphing inequalities. Now, this is an inequality because it does not have an equal sign here, okay? This is a linear equation. Sorry. This equation does have an equal sign. So I'm going to show you how to do the both. Now, if you notice, this is exactly the same problem. 3x plus 1 is greater than 7, and this is 3x plus 1 is equal to 7. Same exact problems. You're going to hit them, you're going to attack them the same exact way. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to identify where my variable is. It's 3 times x. What are they doing? They're adding 1. What's the opposite of adding 1? I'm going to subtract 1 here. I'll go over here and subtract 1 here. Whoop, whoop. 7 minus 1 gives me 6. So now I'm at 3x equals 6, correct? Now I'm going to identify the variable once again. It's x still. What are they doing? They're multiplying by 3. So I'm going to divide by 3 here. Divide by 3 here. X equals 2. Okay? So now I'm going to come over here and do this one. Once again, I'm identifying the 3x. What are they doing? They're adding 1. I'm going to subtract 1 here. Okay? And I'm going to subtract 1 over here. 7 take away 1 gives me 6 again. Ooh, check it out. Same thing. And so right now I'm at 3x is greater than 6. Divide by 3 because they're multiplying by 3. Come here, divide this one by 3. X is greater than 2. Okay? Bam! Look what I just came up with. So I created these graphs down here. I'm going to show you how to fill it in. Now this one where it says x equals 2. Remember how we did this? I'm just going to put a dot right there because there's no other number other than 2 that this is going to work for because it says x equals 2. On the other hand, over here, I get x is greater than 2. So I'm going to find my 2. I'm going to put a circle around it. Notice that I do not color the circle in, okay? Because the x is on the left-hand side, I just figure out which direction the arrow goes. I say, oh, it's right here. So the arrow's going that way. So this one states that x will be any number other than 2, but that's bigger than 2. So 2.1, 2.3, 2.5, 2 and 1/4. As long as it's bigger than 3 will work for this equation. Okay? On the other hand, this one states that only one number is going to work. I kind of like this. It's only one number will work here. Okay, if you have questions, keep going, rewinding the video. If you still have more questions, just call me back.